Kobiabath is located in Fashion City. It is professional and always focuses on designing, developing and supplying a full range of bathroom products. It is an expert in providing complete bathroom solutions for hotel or apartment projects. It covers bathtubs, kitchen faucets, sinks, bathroom fittings and cabinets. With new innovation concepts on products, Kobiabath has created series of excellent products to meet different requirements of customers. All of our products are with the characteristics, simple but comfortable, simple but noble, simple but elegant. Kobiabath's products are mainly exported to North American, Europe. We have a great industry experience behind our distributors and project builders. Besides, our products will be a fast assistance to support your selling net. We have global secure payment insurance system, serving customers in 91 countries. Kobiabath team grows with your business. 6 trained salesmen 24 hours online for client service. 2 QC with 5-year experience. 2 R&D with 15-year experience. We respect our clients by keep providing excellent service and products. We have had an excellent sales and service team. Our quality products and teamwork will make your projects go forth effectively. Kobiabath's principle is a revenue-sharing basis with our clients. We keep 35% app sales growth by improving promotions and annual designs. Strict quality control is performed in every procedure from material sourcing, processing, testing to packing. Our commitment to sustainability is also reflected in our thoughtfully selected eco-friendly materials and cutting-edge energy-efficient designs, demonstrating our dedication to a greener future. Join Kobiabath to create the bright win-win tomorrow.